A daily driven BMW. The BMW M340i represents a very good mix between a daily driver and something that is sporty and fun. It rocks a BMW B58 inline 6, which is one of my absolute favorite motors of all time. It's super reliable, it makes a ton of power, and it sounds quite good. And so today our client is bringing us his BMW M340 for a full front-end paint protection film, as well as a minor paint correction to get rid of some embedded water spots and scratches that were already in the paint, and then seal it in with a ceramic coating so that it stays stain-free and easy to clean. We're going to take you behind the scenes and show you front to back what kind of work goes into this type of project, and we'll show you why this is the absolute best package for a daily driver. Moving on to the hood, we're going to do a 4-corner stretch to get the film over the entire panel in one cohesive sheet. Then we're going to squeegee everything out just like before. It's very important that we do extra prep, so you can see we're going to be removing that front badge so everything gets tucked in one clean piece. We're also going to be clay barring the vehicle just to make sure that surface is extra clean despite our proper prep in the beginning. Once we're done doing that, we are going to trim by hand so that we can tuck the film around the perimeter of this hood. So we're applying PPF onto this fender. We are using the body lines on this vehicle to line up corners and edges to make sure everything falls into place before we seal it in. With all of the alignment done on the fender, we're going to go ahead and squeegee out the remaining slip solution. So this little liquid that you're seeing allows us to position the film without the adhesive sticking. Now this stuff is very important because once we squeegee it, we actually activate the adhesive. This allows us to move it freely, position it into place, and then squeegee it shut. Moving on to the front bumper, a lot of the alignment things that we were looking for in the fenders translates to this piece as well. And so when we are laying these pieces, we have to make sure the alignment is perfect pretty much everywhere. The mirrors are also going to be getting a custom installation. Doing it this way allows for the film to be laid over that panel without stressing out too much, which means that it will not lift over time. Now that that is finished, we're going to go ahead and wipe it down, and let's take a look at this install up close. There we go. That is front to back, full front end paint protection film on this BMW M340. Let me show you what our completed project looks like for this BMW. You can see we took the M badge off, we put the PPF under, put the M badge back on, and now it is very flush and look, it's very sexy. No seams, no cutouts. This is a clean install. So this whole vehicle has been ceramic coated on top of everything that you've just seen in the PPF. So the ceramic coating goes over all of the paint and the paint protection film as well. Once treated, the ceramic coating is going to make it very non-stick, but more importantly, it's chemical resistant so that things don't stain. So this black sapphire metallic stays this sexy shade of deep, dark, glossy black. We did the door jambs as well. So if you look at how glossy these door jambs look, this black sapphire metallic is crazy cool. Our client wanted us to ceramic coat door jambs to keep it clean. And so as requested, here they are. If you guys look at some of this old B-roll of the car before we worked on it, there were water spots and scratches all over the trunk. But if you look at this footage now, it looks crystal clear because we did that paint correction prior to sealing it in, and you can see it really is a night and day difference. And that, you guys, is the full package. We do these paint protection film and ceramic coating packages all day long. This is our bread and butter, but these packages make sense if you want to preserve a vehicle. The PPF for physical durability, the ceramic coating so it stays glossy and clean like that, and a paint correction before so that we seal in as mint as possible of a condition in the paint prior to us laying any type of protectants. And so if you've got a car like this and you want to protect it, a good value package, everything you need and nothing you don't, this is probably the package for you. It's Jesse at Humble Car Auto Spa, and I'll catch you later.